Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the freaking channel. What is going on out here? Guys, I got a lot of outside stuff to do. I got a buddy down, where he live at? He live down there with a Dodge Charger. Want me to look at his car. And it won't be today because I got my own problems to deal with. Y'all see my truck over here? My truck will not start. Remember, guys, I can't get in my garage, but I figured out what I need to do and what parts I need to do. I'm just vlogging right now, so it's not a mechanic video. I know this is a mechanic channel, and all y'all want to see is somebody working on freaking cars. No, not today. I'm just gonna vlog. Let me get my garage door fixed. I'm gonna make a project out of that. I got the springs ordered. Somebody suggested that I put one on each side since this is one long door. That makes sense. Yeah, make plenty of sense. Yeah, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm just gonna put two springs, one on each side, but they have to be adjusted accordingly from what I'm hearing. And guys on the internet making sure that I understand how risky that is. All right, so yeah, I don't know what happened, man. I brought this home to unload some junk out of the garage, and this sucker now just say I don't feel like starting. This is my, y'all see all those goodies? This is my scrap truck, guys. This is what I use to make all that money on the scrap yard runs. My Nissan truck is still at the job, so I guess I can always get that up. But yeah, for the most part, I got to get this thing fixed because I don't want to leave it here, or I don't want it to sit here. I might, even though I'm in my driveway, there's still a chance I can get a letter from. That's why I hate this place. Mechanics, let me say this, guys. I know I'm just talking. Mechanics have no business living in a HMO community. We too dirty. We too junky. We have junk cars. We want to work on our cars no matter where we at. I'm the same way. So if I have my hood up, if I pop my hood up right now, somebody might drive through and say, hey, what you doing? You know you ain't supposed to be working on cars. Yeah, I can't cut it, man. This ain't cutting it. So I give myself another year here. That's why I'm not gonna invest a lot in this house. Y'all remember I told y'all I got the gutters fixed. That was 5G. So yeah, I'm not gonna put a lot of money. And you see this? Let me show y'all this. I had to break down and get one of these, man. Let me turn this camera around. Yeah, right there. The unit, I had to break down and get a freaking unit, man. This guy that cut my grass just put this shit all on here. Oh, cause I gotta take care of that. Yeah, I don't want nothing to mess up. So yeah, that's the guy that did the gutters. Oh, I never had a spout right there, so they added that. But yeah, I had to pay for this because remember, guys, all of the old units, they are what is it, R22? So yeah, R22 I heard is it's phased out. Okay. Not only is it phased out, it's hard to get. So they got coming up with just like cars, they got the new Freon out. All right, and I got to get back here. I'm in the rear right now. I got to clean all of this up. Okay, for some reason, my squirrel trap has now became a freaking bird trap. Look, y'all hear the bird call? I ain't got my rifle out here now, so don't come out here now. I go get it. Y'all hear that? That's the bird call. They telling their buddies. I told y'all earlier, man, I think those squirrels done got smart. I haven't seen a squirrel in a minute. I think they sent the birds over here to test the area. Yeah, I got to get back on my weight program. So all of this, I got to clean all this up. They just did the gutters and they left all this stuff down here. So I'm going to clean all this up real soon. I got 2 traps. I haven't seen a squirrel. Squirrels ain't got smart. Y'all hear the bird call? Guys, I'm messing around. Please don't take this video serious, all right? But yeah, for some reason, my squirrel cage has turned into a bird cage. Yeah, I got to get back on my weight program. But for the most part, guys, I got a lot of house stuff I got to do. Even my neighbor got some new gutters. Yeah, see, that satellite up there is just up there. I cut dish satellite out 2 years ago. They don't want their satellite back? Like, y'all come get this junk. I'm not doing this no more. I don't even think we have cable. I don't even have time to sit down and watch TV. So whatever I'm watching, it's on a computer. Yeah, it's crazy how times have changed, man. We used to sit down and watch a TV show. Yeah, all those times have changed. So that's not really happening. Let me go back big. Yeah, so that's not really happening like it used to as far as the show. And this guy down here got a Chrysler. He caught me. I was right here filming one day, and he caught me. Hey, bro, you work on cars? You know what's satisfying was when somebody asks you, do you work on cars? Your answer is already yes, but you got to be careful because, especially me, I want to know what kind of car you got before I even say yes. So they may say something like, yo, you work on cars? Like, yeah, man, what you got? What you got? You talking about a sense of relief when they yell out, I got a Chrysler or a Jeep or something like that? Oh, thank you. Yeah, we can do that, man. What's your, no mail. Oh, maybe she already checked. What's the problem? So then they tell me the problem and, we do our thing from there. But for the most part, I'm not, I got the camera turned this way. Let me show y'all something. This is my other neighbor. I don't want to really fool with his car because I don't have a scan to, and he got drivability issues. So guys, be careful. I don't care how tough you think you is. If you don't have the right equipment to be, what is that? I can't even think of what it is. If you don't have the right equipment, sure, you can get any scan tool to find out what a fault code is. But I'm one of those guys that's bigger than just the fault code. Okay, even a misfire, something as simple as misfire or evap leak, small evap leak. No, see, yeah, that stuff can still put you in danger zone. That still can drive you cuckoo. So I don't have the proper scan tool to properly diagnose it. And hear me out. Let me say this again. There's a difference between a code reader and a freaking a diagnostic scan tool. All right, you DIY guys, y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. But we're gonna figure this out tomorrow, guys. I got my jump box battery dead now. I got my jump box, and we're gonna get this thing handled because now what's going on is just starting spinning over. I don't freaking know, but I'm gonna find out. That's for damn sure. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna be at home all day tomorrow. I'm getting up in the morning, go work out. Gotta give me some muscles. Gotta give me some more muscles. And then I'm gonna come home and the whole house is left to me because I gotta get my YouTube office. That is now my YouTube office because I have an LLC. So I had to write all of that off as, yes, this is my business office. Yes, I have business expenses. Yes, all kinds of goodies. So yeah, I gotta get more serious on that and some more stuff. So I'm gonna be here all day. I might, I got a live stream tomorrow, so I'm gonna live stream tomorrow. I hope y'all tune into that. If you ain't doing nothing, let me see what else we can talk about. All right, so yeah, and because I worked today, which is Saturday, I work on the weekends. I work every other weekend technically. Y'all be seeing Tom cooking there talking about one more day. That's because he likely got that Saturday off. But I work. And guys, I'm only 5 minutes from the job, so I don't know. It always finds me there for some reason. I'm cool with it, but what did I leave? Okay, something, that transmission. Y'all remember the transmission that cousin Pookie got a hold to and got all the bolts in the wrong spots? That's not good, man. So I got all that figured out. I get that transmission in, one outside. I don't want to keep saying that because y'all tend to like to, especially, what's the guy, Rose to Nowhere or whatever the hell he from. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like to, that's all you, it amazes me how people go, that's all you do is work on junky Pentastars. And if you had a centralized location that do this stuff, that's likely what I'm gonna do. And the cool thing about it is it's really to my advantage because the more you work on a product, certain product, the more you know about the product, okay? I've never claimed to know about every car. I saw a couple of guys in the comment, you don't know nothing else. I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, he don't know how to work on nothing else, but they keep me busy. So Why should I jump on another car maker's brand, get beat up, cost me time, cost me money, cost me everything when I can jump on what I know, stick with what I know? It's not, to you guys out there that specialize. Ford Bearded Tech, let me use him a fuzz. Hell, Fluffy Mexicanic. Let me use y'all for an example. Hopefully y'all don't get offended when somebody say, all you do is work on that same piece of junk every day, same type stuff. Guys, Fluff, Nissans, that's what you know, dog. If they keeping you busy. Now, at Brothers Motors, we had to open it up to work on a little bit of everything, all right? So we could keep a regular flow. Everybody coming in didn't own a Chrysler or whatever, so we can't just turn them away. And quiet as kept, installing engines and transmission is universal. It's all the same way. We get into trouble or we catch hell when we need to program stuff, okay, or synchronize, initialize stuff. So yeah, we got to be careful from that standpoint. But I don't understand why a guy that know a particular brand upside down, why would he want to waste time on another brand just to save face of somebody saying you don't know nothing else, all you do. I put a video out the other day of me working on that. Was that a Toyota? I have no idea what it was. I can't even remember. But you should see some of the comments. JT working on something else. It was cool. It was a little refreshing. Remember, guys, at the end of the day, a car is a car is a car, right? Gasoline combustion engine. It's just the manufacturer have differentiated different sections of the car to make, yeah, they have their right. They can do that. So, yeah, but for the most part, I don't mind. What I do keep me busy, and I am cool with that. So, don't feel bad. Now, you guys that work Dad's Garage, or what, I think that's his name, Lake's Garage, all you guys that do any and everything, kudos to y'all. I say this all the time. Mad respect for you guys that work on any and every. I think it's either Lakes or Dad's Garage, one of them. Every time I'm looking at one of their videos, they pulling in a different make, a different brand of car. We got this, I don't know, what he had something there with an ABS the other day. I can't remember what it was, but kudos to y'all, man. I got mad respect for you guys that work on different makes and models. I would if I had to. I don't have to because the make and brand and model that I'm associated with keeps me busy, and I'm cool with that. So yeah, but much respect, mad respect for you dudes that work on everything. So I'm gonna wrap this up, man. The sun's going down, and God, I gotta figure out what's wrong with this freaking truck. I think I need a fuel pump. What I did was I brought some starter fluid home. I'm gonna spray down, and we're gonna diagnose it tomorrow. Sunday I try to take a mechanic break off. That's why you always see crazy videos. You might see me in the gym or tackling them squirrels back there. I got some squirrel shorts I'm gonna upload tomorrow. But other than that, so this is a Cherokee with the 2.4. All right, guys, 2.4 multi-air. I didn't get the V6 on purpose. I bought this brand new in 2017 for her to drive. Looked up one day, I got a phone call. And you know what? I filmed this too. I cannot find that footage for the life of me. This damn car just quit. Just in the middle of the road, just quit. Losing oil. No oil leaks. So obviously burning, right? Oil only have a couple of places to go. You're either gonna burn it or leak it. No leaks, so I'm burning it. Chrysler FCA issued a flash update we got to take it to the dealer and get them to flash. In that flash, something will be different going on with the VVT, the solenoids, the valves, things like that. Okay, after that flash is done, the oil consumption magically, it's nowhere near as bad. In fact, you can't even tell. Do you think I don't want a new engine? Okay, everybody else in the shop, we was giving out new engines because they had that problem. In fact, we was throwing engines in every one of them before the flash came out. 2, 3, 1 every week. My neighbor was doing them like popping Skittles in his mouth. So yeah, so my warranty still ain't up. I was about to get one, and that stupid flash came out. I want a new engine just because I can. I don't think I need one, but I need some motor mounts on it now. But yeah, I don't know why people tend to ask me what you drive. I bet you don't drive a Chrysler. Why the hell would I? Now Fluffy is just the opposite. Fluffy deal with Nissans, he work on Nissans or whatever, but he drives something else, he's on something else. I'm not that way, okay? It's not that they ask me stuff like, you are aware a Chrysler is a piece of junk, right? I bet you don't own one. Yeah, everything I got. This truck is a Ram 1500, this is Jeep Cherokee, that's minivan. I got 2 more other cars at the shop. My daughters drive Chrysler. One guy cussed me like, I can't believe you put your daughter in a Chrysler 200. Hey, dude, when she got a problem, she call Pops. As opposed to, running somewhere else that's going to rip her off. I'm going to make sure it's on. My point is, yeah, I'm going to pretty much, that's what I got. That's what I deal with. That's what I like. I know everything about it. So why not? All right, let me get out of here. We're going to get this garage fixed. I'm going to order that. I got the spring order. When it get here, it's going to be a project. All right. I would then be JT the garage guy. That's right, man. Guys, I appreciate y'all watching this videos. Make sure y'all tune in tomorrow on the live stream. All right. We're going to have some fun. I have no idea what we're going to talk about yet. I don't know yet. It's a last minute decision unless I wake up tomorrow reading an article. I get notifications of different articles, different topics. I got to see what's appeasing to my audience, okay? I notice different topics that I speak about would draw a bigger crowd or would draw comments and shares and likes and all that. So that's what you're looking for as a YouTuber. I can say that now. I'm a YouTuber. I got 137,000 subscribers. I'm officially a YouTuber. Thanks to y'all. All of y'all. I gotta go, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next freaking video.